guys, Nurse Alyssa here. We have a special video today for you. It's a special Halloween video, and I have my special helpers here. I have Avatar, right? And I have Miss Flash. So today we're going to make a special witch's brew. It's a healthy gut witch's brew. Our gut is so important. It affects our total health and how we feel, and it even affects our immune system. Symptoms of an unhealthy gut can include tiredness, sluggishness, irritability, or even having inconsistent bowel issues where they could be loose or extremely hard. This healthy witch's brew is going to help reduce inflammation and irritation to our bowels and help you feel better. So are we going to get started, guys?
Yes.
Can
I go first? Can I go first?
Just a second here, Rowan. So Titus is going to start by adding his chia seed and flaxseed. So chia seed and flaxseed are packed full of nutrients, antioxidants, and fiber, which are absolutely great for our gut health. So you can add that in there. Yep, put it in the witch's brew. Perfect.
I put them all at the bottom so we can add the stuff onto the top.
Perfect.
Now do I go?
Yep. So now Miss Flash is going to add her yogurt and the strawberries and bananas. So we can use any type of frozen fruit.
Mommy?
Yeah?
But will I get to start?
Yeah, in just a minute. Okay, so add your yogurt and strawberries and bananas. Like I said, you can use absolutely any frozen fruit for this.
Mom, could you do this?
I can help you. Put in the yogurt.
Mom, like spread it around.
That's okay. It'll be mixed.
Yeah.
It'll be mixed.
I will mix it.
So next we're going to add our almond milk. We have added a special ingredient to our almond milk to turn it green for our witch's brew. But you can use any milk that you prefer.
It's so greenish. Yeah.
Okay, and then our next ingredient is our gut fix formula. This formula,
Can I put it in?
yeah, just hang on a second, is a total gut health formula, and it also has our pre and probiotics. Here you go, Rowie. Yep, dump it in there. Good job.
1, 2.
That's perfect.
And now we mix.
Okay, give it a little mix around there, Ro.
Could you bring that on my side? Because I can't
Sure.
reach it.
Here we go.
Thanks.
Yep, give it a little mix. Good job. Look at that witch's brew. Okay, good. Okay, now should we use our magic blending fingers to blend it?
Now to drink the witch's brew.
So now that it's all mixed up, we can definitely drink that witch's brew, okay? So let's get our glasses ready here.
I'm not going to drink it.
Okay.
Okay. Be careful. I'm going to taste it. Banana and strawberries witch's brew. Delicious.
That's great. You want to give it a try? See you next time, guys.